Today we're going to take an in-depth look at Realtors Property Resource. This is one of the most innovative benefits included in your NAR membership, delivering on-the-go access to all-encompassing data platform available exclusively to Realtors and offered at no additional cost. RPR can be accessed online at narrpr.com and by app on iOS or Android. Once inside RPR, you will have access to both residential and commercial data, investment analysis, and reports. This is where your search begins, with 6 search types. You can search by all properties, for sale, for lease, by neighborhood, school, and market activity. Each search type contains additional filters and search attributes. RPR Residential covers every corner of your real estate business. RPR Residential, from prospecting and working with buyers to listing presentations and open houses, quickly access everything from school, tax, foreclosure, and mortgage information to demographics, mapping, flood zones, historic data, and so much more. The All Property Search will send all results regardless of their status, return on and off market properties, pending, recently sold, and distressed properties. For Sale Search is for all properties currently on the market, as well as pending listings in a given geographic area. And for Lease should be used to search active lease properties in a specific geographic area. For each search, enter an address to go directly to the property or enter a geography to visit search results on the map view. To search additional attributes, click on the Advanced Search. If you are looking for housing or market trends, people facts, economic or quality of life metrics in an area, try the Neighborhood Search. School Search can be used for teacher academics and overall school grades, school districts and side-by-side comparisons, information on standardized test scores, and nearby property listings within the attendance boundaries of the school district or geography. The Market Activity Search, which uncovers changes in a local real estate market and including listing of active, pending, sold, expired, price change, and even distressed properties. In the Advanced Search, let's say we are looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, no distress, single family with a price range of $225,000 to $250,000. Then click on the magnifier to search. We arrive on a list of search results. If we had additional parameters and wanted to filter this list down, then we use the filter results on the left-hand side. We can also sort the results by recently updated, most expensive, etc. To select a view of map results, click on the bigger map and select Map View. From the map, to find your own search areas by drawing on the map or displaying the outside geography, such as neighborhoods, zips, and even school attendance zone, and then searching one or more of these areas. Results will appear under the map. Select a property to reveal the property details page, which is comprised of 5 tabs. We will quickly walk through each of these. The Summary tab will give the basic facts and current historical photos. You will also find the Realtors Valuation Model, or RVM, the only automated model product owned and operated by the National Association of Realtors. The Realtors RVM goes beyond the traditional AVM by incorporating the listing and sales data from the MLS into the equation. Under the History tab, you will find the sales and financing activity. You can compare historical records of property along with median estimated home value for this zip code of the property, and public information about prior sales transaction, tax assessment information, mortgage records, or distressed information. Under Charts, you will see the median estimated home value versus median listing price, median sales price versus sales volume, and median listing price versus listing volume. This chart shows the count of distressed properties, all stages of foreclosure, in a zip code. This chart includes listed and off-market properties. The source of this information is public records and MLS data. We're licensed and updated daily. Here is where you create a comparative analysis. First step is to confirm the home facts. You can modify them for your report. Any changes you make to the analysis will only show up in your report and not what is actually in the RPR system. Next, you search for comps by using the custom search tools. Select the right comps for this home. The calculated price and range is based on per square foot. You can customize your reports to include this information or not. Then make any adjustments. Here is where you rate your comps in relationship to your subject property. Review your comp analysis. If you want to round a number up or change the value based on local expertise, simply click Edit and enter a recommended price and price range for this property. This will appear on the seller's report. When you click on Neighborhood, the following tabs will appear. Summary, which will show the median estimated home value. The chart displays property estimates for an area and the subject property. Estimated home values are generated by a valuation model and are not formal appraisals. Median sales price versus sales volume. This chart compares the price trend and sales volume of the homes in the area. Home prices typically follow sales volume, with a time lag since sales activity is the driver behind price movement. This chart compares the listing price and listing volume for homes in an area. Listing prices often follow listing volume, with a time lag because supply can drive price movements. Population of children by age group. This chart shows the distribution of population of children by an age range from birth to 17 in your search. Population of adults by group age. This shows the distribution of population of adults by the age range from 18 to 75 plus in your search area. Median listing price versus listing volume compares the listing price and the listing volume for the homes in the area. Price range of homes sold shows the distribution of homes reported sold in the past 6 months within a different price range of your search. The amount shown in the subject property is sold date where available, or a property's estimated value when sales data is unavailable or provided in a range format. Price range per square foot of homes sold shows distribution of homes reported sold in the past 6 months at different price ranges per square foot. Living area source comes from public records. Size of homes sold shows distribution of homes reported sold in the past 6 months of different sizes in your search. Age range of homes sold, again taken from homes reported sold in the past 6 months, or different ranges in your area of search. Number of bedrooms in your home, also taken from sold stats in the past 6 months. These charts of education levels, population of children and adults by age group, households with children, households income bracket, occupational categories, and presidential voting patterns were taken from the U.S. Census and how residents in a county voted in 2016 presidential election. After reviewing the property, it's time to review the report. Now select the blue Create a Report button at the upper right-hand corner. RPR reports come in a PDF format, which can be saved and shared by email or Facebook. Also, by using RPR app, can be shared by text message. You have 8 different reports to choose from: the property report, seller's report, property flyer, mini property report, valuation workbook, market activity report, neighborhood report, and school report, and exclusively available by the way of the mobile app in the buyer's tour report. Choose your report by pressing the radio button on the left of the report type. For example, we will select Mini Property Report, which gives a concise look at an individual property, including a property summary and home facts, legal description, listing photos, when the property is an active listing, property history, and local market trends. Choose what cover elements to include or omit from the right-hand sidebar, including page numbers. Next, personalize the report and select the delivery method: download now or email. Click Run Report. The report you ran will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. While they are generating, appear yellow and blue once they are complete. Each of these reports you create will be available for 30 days. After that, they will be automatically deleted to ensure that you have the most updated information. Click the plus sign at the right of the report to access several options to manage your reports. For example, download, rerun report, or share it on Facebook. Rerun the report restarts the 30-day retention period. For RPR Mobile, that you run on the website are available via the mobile app, so you can access this report from your phone, tablet, or computer. RPR Commercial provides realtors with a central source of information to target locations and access to consumer data for business sites. Quickly access who consumers are, what they do, what they buy, and how they have fun in an area or surrounding a property. Where are the right people for the business? Example, why open a dry cleaner in an area that's 90% wash and wear? What is the best location for this business? You don't want to open up a disco when the area is 75% seniors. What is the best business for this location? A surf shop in an area that has 70% under the age of 30 would be ideal. Now it's time to get you started in RPR. I will guide you through the simple 3-step process. Let's get started by going to narrpr.com. A window will open and enter your last name and your email address, or you can enter your last name and your NERDS number. That's the 7500 number. Check your email. The next step is that RPR will alert you that an activation email is on its way. From the activation email, click on Activate My Account. You will be redirected back to the site with your information auto-populated. On the second step of the wizard, confirm your first and last name. Your email populates, which is your RPR username. Now you can create a password. Last, put your MLS/agent ID information. Please ask Lynn for that number. Then click Next. If you belong to more than one MLS, then you can take advantage of adding them to your RPR account by selecting the date and MLS name. Add your MLS/CIE agent ID for that particular MLS and then click Add. Your account is now active. Finally, once you have selected Finish, then you will have the option to print out your RPR information, or you can go directly to the RPR site. First, to your profile by clicking on the cog icon at the top right hand of the screen. It is important to keep your profile information updated, as this information can be found on the cover page of all of your reports. To add photo, click on the Add Photo link. An image loader appears. With your JPEG or PNG file, use the crop image if you wished, then click OK. Next, fill in your name, office information, email, website, etc. If you would like to add your license number to your reports, fill in the license information. Your last step is to download the RPR Mobile to your iOS or Android. Simply go to Google Play or App Store to download RPR Mobile to your device. You can access RPR directly from the All Fields detail on Paragon. If you go directly under the map, you will see 3 colored dots. By clicking on this icon, it will take you directly to this listing in RPR. You can also access RPR under the Resource tab on the Paragon homepage. Once in RPR, you will see the details of this report, including the current list price, the basic facts such as the number of bedrooms, baths, and square footage. It will also show you photos, which you can choose from Street View or Overhead View. It will show you a map view of the property, as well as information about the listing agent. If you scroll down the page, you will see the home facts, both public and listing, if it's in our MLS. Here you can make any changes that you wish to go into your report and click Save. This will also show you the median listing price for this area. If you continue to scroll down, you will see the median estimated home value along with the schools nearby in this location. We'll show you if there is any history of price change, interior and exterior features, location details such as subdivision, location features, flood zone, and walkability score. Now you can access RPR anytime, any place.